Hello and welcome to lesson 311, modeling multiplying a decimal by a decimal. So we have a rectangle that has an area of 24 hundredths square meters. What is one possibility for the length and width of this rectangle, and tell me why? So I want 24 squares shaded in because my box is my hole. Going down one row is a tenth, and then each box is 100. So if I know I want 24 hundredths, that's what I need to do, is I need to make sure that I have 24 boxes shaded in. So I'm gonna go, this is 10, this is 20, and then this is 4. Now while this is 24 hundredths shaded in, this is not a rectangle. So this does not work. So let's look at something else. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I can do that, another 6, we still have our rectangle, then I have another 6, we're still in a rectangle but we're at 18, let's do another 6, there's 24, so let's color in our box right here. So here we see we have, if each piece is a tenth, then this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10 by 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. So even though the whole tenth is not shaded in, the length of it is a tenth. So we have 4/10 by 6/10 is 24 hundredths. We are not taking the full tenth. We're not taking the full tenth. Do you see that? But we still have 24 hundredth boxes in the middle. Okay? Let's look if there's another dimension that would work. So we have, you can do one. Let's erase some of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can do another 8. We still have a rectangle. And I can do another 8. And that gives me 24. Let's trace our rectangle here. If each length is a tenth, then I have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. I have 3/10, and you can look at it going this way too. This is 1/10, this is 2/10, this is 3/10. And then if I'm going up, I have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. I have 8/10. Now what do you notice about this? This one is 8/10 times 3/10. Well, what is 8 times 3? 24 hundredths. Same here. What is 6 times 4? Well, 6 times 4 is also 24. But because we have less than a whole on both, our answer has to be less than a whole. Okay, let's try it again. So, we're going to look at this one now. We have 8/10 by 7/10. So, if I take 8/10, and I'm going to color them in. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to take my next color and I'm going to go 7/10. I'm going to go the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I want to box in the ones that have both colors. And then you can count them up. If you count them up, or if you know what 8 times 7 is, you can know that this is going to be 56 hundredths. All right, let's look at this one. This one's a little bit different. So this one has 2 holes and 1/10 times 1/10. So I'm going to shade in my first one. So So I have 2 holes. That's 1 hole, that's 2 holes, and there's a 10th. Okay, so I have that. Now, I'm going to take a 10th out of each group. So I want a 10th from this group, I want a 10th from this group, and I want a 10th from this group. Because remember, multiplication is groups of. So I'm taking a 10th from each group. Now I can box it up, whatever it is, and I can count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is going to be 21 hundredths. Look how much smaller that got, but it's because we only took a 10th out of those. All right, so let's do one more. Let's do this one right here. We're going to do 1 whole, and we're going to do 7 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to take 5 tenths out of both. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can draw my box. We're only boxing the double colors. So this is 50, and then I have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I have 50 and I have 35, which gives me 85 hundredths. All right, so let's see what you can do.